Hello guys, this is just a quick update to show you what the garden currently looks like. It's unplanted. I'm just busy doing the last cleanup, grooming, removing all of the grass from the beds and just establishing the borders before I am gonna start planting. The idea is to cover all the borders with these bricks, and then later on I'll convert this into the aquaponic system. We had quite a bit of rain and we just about flooded away. Yes, just a quick sneak peek at the fig tree cuttings that I have made, and they seem to be doing well. This one's already rooted also. Just some random pumpkin. These beds are 1.6 by 5 meters, both of them. And then here are some more cucumber plants ready to be planted out. These are watermelon starting to sprout, and this is my Cape gooseberry cutting that I've made from this mother plant, and the cutting is actually outgrowing the mother plant by quite a bit. Here's another one. It's not doing as well. Not doing well at all. Seems like I just broke it off. And then these are gonna be some tomatoes and chilies. Then we've got the Cape gooseberry. I'm just gonna leave it this season and let it bush up a bit. Then I will come back and make some cuttings out of that one. So yeah, this is what the setup this side of the yard looks like at the moment. Within the next week I'll be finished with the cleanup, and then we can start planting. These are actually spinach plants that came up from other spinach plants that bolted, and now I've got a bed full of spinach. I'll probably leave some of them in here, and I'll just work on the spacing. The idea is to approach this on a square foot gardening basis. Right, thank you for watching guys. I'll keep you updated, and then I'll show you the next progress.